Welcome to the brand new Solstice model at Valencia Sky.
Welcome to the Solstice at Valencia Sky, featuring beautifully designed living space that perfectly blends style, comfort, and functionality. Step into the wide open layout where the great room, dining area, and the kitchen flow seamlessly together, creating the ultimate space for entertaining, gathering, and everyday living. Natural light fills through every corner, highlighting elegant finishes throughout this modern design. Primary suite is your own private retreat, spacious, serene, and thoughtfully designed, with 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like inspired bathroom. It's the perfect balance of luxury and relaxation. This warm, cozy den offers a quiet space to work, read, or unwind. Now let's head upstairs to the loft, an inviting second living space connecting additional bedrooms, ideal for family, movie nights, guests, kids, or anyone. From its open concept design to every carefully crafted detail, the Solstice truly has everything you need and more.
The Solstice is more than a floor plan. It's the next chapter designed around you.